Hello everyone, welcome to the third lecture in the series in which we are making the Notes apps. Notes app. In the previous video, we have completed the home screen view model and its integration. And in this video, we will complete the UI of our add note screen. And in this screen, we have an app bar which have back button, delete button, and two text field. One is containing title of the note and the other one is the description of the note. And now for that we will add here another package named as add note, and screen name would be add note comp and add note. And in here we will first make this app bar, and for app bar we at this point we won't use scaffold, just simply put them in a column. So first of all, column modifier fill max size, and here we have back arrow and delete button. So in this would be goes in a row because we are saying it horizontally. So for that we will use row modifier width fill max and import the row as well. And in here we will show the icon would be around 20 size. Okay, we need to have import these two icons. So I will use the default one here. First one is the back arrow, and the second one is the delete icon. And size of this color would be 20. And color of this icon would be white. So we will make it white. And next in the other color, which would be delete icon. And the next thing is we need to put some padding between these two components. First of all, set the background color of this one, and the background color would be this is the primary color, And the next is we need to put some padding horizontally and vertically as well. So horizontally, let's say make it 16, and vertical should be around 20. And these icons should be horizontally centered and vertically centered. So for that we will use center vertically, and these should be shown on the borders of this row. Let's say one should be on the left and one should be on the right of the screen. So for that we will have horizontal arrangement space between. What it will do is apply the possible space which is available between these components which can be assigned. So the next is we need to see the preview of this app bar. So for that we will write our preview method here. Okay, so our UI is showing as we are expecting it, and the next is we need to show this to text. So for that we will back to our column. So this is our app bar, and next is we will use our text field. And fill mix, and whenever there is nothing no text in here, then we will show the title placeholder here. So for that we have placeholder in which we can give any compose component. We will use text here, enter title, and yeah, that's it. And let's see the preview. Okay, so our title is showing here, and the next is we need to show the description text. So for that we will copy this one from here, paste it in here, and this time we will make it as fill max size. Okay, so actually it's not showing completely here. Let's use it like this, fill max width, and also occupy the remaining space which we have at this point in column. So we will use weight 1f. Okay, and now at this point let's wait for the rendering process, and build and refresh it again to verify that we are seeing a line below this title, and we also need to show this see this below this one as well, because it's not showing completely. Some of the area of this bottom text is cutting from the edge of the bottom of the screen. Okay, I think still haven't get anything. Let's say put some spacing in here. Okay, so actually it's there, it's near to the edge, so that's why we are not able to verify that. So enter description for this one. Okay, and whenever user will type anything in the title, this is my title, then text would be this is my text will be shown my this like this. This is my description, and okay, so our UI of this screen have been completed, and the next step is we need to run this and verify this UI on our app on our physical device. So for that we will go to the top of this one and now run it on our physical device. Okay, so our information is showing as expected. Just need to do few things like remove this bottom padding, because our line is showing near to this navigation buttons, and the second is increase the height of this text, title text. So for that, first of all, let's remove this bottom spacing, and the second one is the increase the size of this one. So size, font, okay. So in the text style we need to give the font size, and what is the default text size in that, which is this one. Okay, and make a copy of that and set the size in here. Font size, let's say it should be 20 sp. Okay, so the size of the text has been increased. Let's make it 24 and then see the preview in our device as well. Okay, so let's see the preview in the device. Okay, so it's perfectly showing as per our design. So this is it for this lecture. In this lecture we have completed the UI of our add node screen, and in the next screen we will implement the view model for this screen. So this is it for this video. Thank you for watching. If you have any suggestion or feedback regarding this series, then please let me know in the description below. Thank you for watching again. Bye.